These are the motion sensing balls. They can be turned on by a switch on the top. The batteries aren't interchangeable, however the battery life is quite sufficient and lasts for many weeks if used occasionally, so you get quite a lot of hunts out of them. They're sold in pairs, so I'll just give you a quick demo how they work. So they can be left around an object on a table and spaced out, and they can act as like a proximity trigger, so if the devices are touched or moved, disturbed, and they'll begin to flash. Alternatively, you could also use them as a trigger object, so you can ask spirits etc. to interact with them. So they're particular good results with child spirits etc., infants that like to interact with the flashing lights.